Aerial jackets are designed to protect equipment during transport and from the elements, dust and debris. Aerial jackets are available for scissor lifts, control boxes, and boom baskets. They allow easy access to controls and charging ports without removing the cover, are easy to install, and include a retractable lock to prevent unwanted use and theft. Add your full-color logo to create a unique marketing opportunity and always stand out on the job site. Your package will include one aerial jacket, a retractable lock, and bungee to secure the cover to your equipment. Stretch the aerial jacket over the machine lengthwise, making sure the opening is toward the entry point. Logos will be on the sides. Straighten cover and zip closed. To secure the cover to the machine, run the retractable lock through the grommet holes and through the zipper pull located at the base of the aerial jacket. Lock and retract excess cable. Additional grommet holes on the sides of the aerial jacket can be used with the included bungee to further secure the cover. For installation assistance, to place an order, or for additional questions, please contact us at info@TireSocks.com or call us at 1-888-SOCK-911.